好，我是 John， 今天很荣幸带各位来看一下，这个是在澳洲的房子基本上都是木建设，然后我们今天要访问一位专业的木工师傅张瑞，我们去一起一探究竟吧。Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you too, bro. How you doing?
Very good. He's the professional carpenter. 他在澳洲是一位专业的木工，目前已经有5年的工作经验。然后我请他一个简短的自我介绍。Can you introduce yourself very short?
Why not? My name is Roy. I've been doing this carpentry for the last 7 years now. And this is the house we built.
Oh, you build all the things?
Everything.
Wow.
They put the concrete.
Yes.
And then whatever timber you see, we did everything here.
Oh.
So it's pretty cool job. It's like puzzles. You put in one by one, and at the end of the day, you have the whole house standing. So it's pretty good actually.
Let me translate for you. 这是我朋友瑞，然后他目前在澳洲的话已经工作7年，都是木工相关经验非常的充足。在澳洲的房子基本上就是你看到所看到像所有的镜头往上带一下，所有的窗沿，所有的这个上面的屋顶都是木结构，然后到下面的墙。这个结构到那个前面的车库，所有的支撑，然后一直带过来，所有的支撑都是木结构组成的。然后在澳洲这个木工的职业收入颇丰，让我们再问一下他大概目前来讲，薪水大概多少？然后跟以前大概5年前、7年前的薪水相对起来比较一下。Actually, quick question, like how much you pay at the moment? Yeah, in Australia, the real estate is quite high.
The beginners
Average.
What do you mean?
Like your salary per hour.
My salary? My one is different because I got qualified. I got licensed. When you have license, they have to pay you over 60. So it starts from 60, then 65, 70, 75. Depends where you're working or how much you're charging. But if you start first year, it's $22 or something. And then it slowly third year, second year, third year, fourth year, every year it goes up. It's 4-year course. So in this 4 year, you get your license. When you get your license, then you can charge 60, 65, 70, whatever.
Yeah. So it's like how many hours you work per week, like 40 or 50?
No, we work 40 hours a day. 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week.
Yes.
So if you want, you can work extra, but that's up to you.
So average, I guess probably your average income per year will be 130,000, 140,000.
My salary.
Yeah. I think it's
Over one.
very good.
Yeah.
Very good in Australia.
It's pretty good,
Yes.
especially now after COVID. Everything went up.
Yes.
So the prices, houses went up. You used to build this house for 500,000. Now you can't build it for even 600,000.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's really high now. So the prices go high, labor goes high, so everything goes high. At the moment, Australia needs people. They need to work.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It's like you told me like when you start your job like 7 years ago. How much you pay like 7 years ago?
I started at 120 a day.
120, so like 50
something, yeah.
per hour.
So you start from somewhere.
Yeah.
So you work away from
Yeah.
there, slowly you go up.
You told me like right now probably will be like 20, 25. 20.
Oh, now it's 20,
25,
22, something
25,
like that.
something.
Yeah.
So any like beginner maybe you are going to join this. It's a good timing right now.
It is a good
Because
time.
for the beginner they got more pay and allow.
It's the best time.
Yes.
Any time is the best time, but it's the time now.
Yes.
Because Australia needs people, and it's more construction work than before.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me translate for you. 瑞他就是说他大概在这边有工作7年的时间，然后从7年以前的话，薪水大概15块，然后到目前来讲的话，薪水可能会到25块，就是每个小时比以前来讲多了10块，所以现在对于那个打工度假签证或是有来留学移民的学生，都是一个很好的 timing， 就很好的时机，因为现在澳洲很需要人。所以有任何关于这方面的问题，可以在我下面，在影片的下面会有微信，你可以加我微信或者加我 Line， 然后我们就会把你加到群组里面。然后有关任何打工度假签证的申请，或者是有关工作的问题，你都可以询问我。然后我们的影片就暂时到这边，我们期待下一回跟大家继续做分享，谢谢各位，谢谢。